spin is just ridiculous. It just likes to kill itself. Got my sister's blankets in there, don't mind its necks. But no, it's not going to happen. Because it's going to be something else for E32. It's now going to try going to overdrive. I want it to go into bloody to kill itself. Come on, just self-destruct. Watch, it hits the side. It hits the side cupboards. Currently. Why should I should have put such lock on there. I'm gonna put on such lock. This boy is not doing it. It's nearly done it. No, go away.
Cup of tea.
Move out the way, please.
Daniel, it's 7:30.
I don't care if it's 7:30.
You washed it.
I'll put this on YouTube. I might pause it to save it. Well, you had to pause it because it actually won't do anything.
It should be perfectly balanced.
No, it's not perfectly balanced. It's gonna kill itself. You can't put heavy items and softer items. Guess what she did? Put heavy items and soft items in the machine. I'm just switching it off. It's not going to do anything. I set it to rinse and spin. That won't do anything. Mum, and plus I took the beep off of this anymore. I'm not giving it. Here it goes again. It's banged the door. It's banged the door. And it could break the glass.
I'll make a cup of tea.
I'm gonna see.
Leave it.
I'm switching to rinse and spin.
Leave it.
No, I'm switching it to rinse and spin.
Leave it.
No, I'm leaving the rinse and spin.
Don't tell me no.
I said.
When I said to you, leave it.
It needs to be rinse and spin.
No, it doesn't. It's fine. Leave
No.
it alone.
No, it's not fine.
Leave it alone. I don't want you touching it.
Mummy, it's not fine.
I don't care what you think.
It's gonna come up with an error code.
No, it's not. It's never come up with an error.
It will. It will come
Move
up.
out the way. I'm making a cup of tea.
No, let me do it.
God.
It come up with E32, Mum, means error. Means unbalanced spin detected in your washing machine. Please unload it. And try again. I guess what we're gonna do, Mum? You say no?
I don't know what you're talking about. It come down.
It will say E32 means unbalanced spin. It's found it. But unbalancedly. It's found the spin, but very unbalanced. I'm going to lift the machine into the air, see what happens. This cover's going to come off. This cover is about to come off. And plus, this will not happen. This will not happen. So it's not going to go to 1,400 rounds. It's going to go to 800 rounds instead. No, wait, 108. 800 rounds are going to do. So it's not going to go full spin.
Hey, I don't care. Can you go and get breakfast? I'm not going to leave you without no breakfast. It's up to you. I'm not going to get it now.
Get off. No, get off. Off my nose. Guys, child abuse. I don't care. Leave me alone.
Yeah, got it, look.
No, okay, I'm not gonna
Look
look.
at that. Look.
No, I'm not letting you. Get away from me. I'm just the chin up.
Okay, look, see, it works. This won't going to work. See, this.
No, E32. Well done. Absolutely well done.
There's no easy.
Yes, there is stupid. Stupid. Jesus Christ. If I don't care, is I'm getting another washing machine. It's a Hoover. Yeah, I'm getting another washing machine. It's a Hoover washing machine. I'm getting a new one. Hoover. I'm getting a Hoover next. Because I'm going to put the Hoover in the corner over there. So, yes I am. I don't care what are you talking about. I'm getting another one. Now it's taking softener. Now it is, but it's not taking it properly. There's not enough water. What I can see is just nothing. Then a filter sign and a tap sign going together. Child lock.
Can you take it off?
Child lock. Child lock.
Can you take it off though? Because I don't have to get the washing out.
Yes, you will. I'll use the emergency lock. I know how to bypass child lock. Child lock. Child lock. Child
Oh, come
lock.
on, Daniel, please don't give me stress.
Child lock. Child lock. Child lock!